So I got mango, tuna, a little bit of eel, rice, a little bit of the crunchies, the sesame as you. Welcome back to Stay Tuned September Sushi Crawl. I realized that I got to a lot of different places that had this without doing it. But I had to holler at one of these sushi burritos. And I stopped at Philly Poke. It's right in Chinatown. It's this little spot right past the halal spot. So like if you stop down there at like the halal food and you go into like that hall, it's a bunch of restaurants. It's like right in the middle. But it is as advertised a sushi burrito. Like I can't really reiterate that much better. I gotta be honest, I don't know how to spice this one up. So I got mango, tuna, a little bit of eel, rice, a little bit of the crunchies, the sesame as you see, fish eggs, and a little bit of edamame. And they split it in two, but like I said, it's actually a burrito. I gotta be honest, I don't even know how to review one of these. It's kind of like the poke bowl. I feel like this is just, we had to throw this in the mix because we shouting out a bunch of decent places. And I've always loved Philly Poke's poke. I've never had this. This shit look like it's about to fall apart. So I'm gonna get them. Oh yeah, dude. I gotta get them already. A 2 on the plating. Even though this ain't plated, it's wrapped, but presentation. I got the wasabi soy sauce, which is like a little spicy but pretty good. A little bit of twang on it. This is fire though. There's a lot of rice. It's a lot of rice. But 5 out of 5 on the overall taste. But it's not like the most fresh thing. I don't know how to describe it. Like I wouldn't get this shit and go work out. I wouldn't get one of these and like go have fun. Like this is really like sit down and chill out food. 5 out of 5 on the saltiness. I think because it's so much rice. It's not really that crazy salty, but it's just solid. So yeah, I can't review this as good as I could. But if you ever in Philly and you got a chance to stop over in Chinatown, Philly Poke. Like I said, it's right by the halal store, but if you go in down the hallway, it's a couple different places. Definitely holla at Philly Poke for the sushi burrito that fell apart on me. In all fairness though, I came from Chinatown, I'm back in South Philly. It's like a 20-minute bike ride, so maybe that's what it was. But yeah, it's been another episode of Stay Tuned September Sushi Crawl, presented by Sushi Geeks. Stay tuned with them.